Hi, welcome to today's vlog. Today I am getting ready for an event. So I thought I will take you guys through my process, and it's currently 20 minutes to 5, and I just got started with shaving my legs because I realized I'm going to wear a skirt that has a high slit. You guys will see it in some time, and I was like, I think it's time to shave my legs finally, and so that's what I did. Let me show you the process. So I'm watching Griselda on Netflix as I do it, and this is my setup. Please ignore how dirty it is. So I have some tissues just to wipe off the excess water, some water in the bowl, and I actually like using a body lotion nowadays to shave instead of like a shaving foam. I remember going to getting my laser hair removal, and they would always use like Cetaphil or something to remove my hair, and my legs would never get itchy after. I have really dry skin on my legs and arms, and this is such a game changer. You can use any body lotion. I actually wanted to use this one, but it's completely used up, and I also think that it's a little bit too thick, so I used the Vaseline Cocoa Glow. Wait, I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah, this is the Vaseline Cocoa Glow. I used this after I was done so that, you know, no moisture is lost. So for the outfit, I actually called up my friend Siddhi to ask if she had a top for the skirt that I had, because I couldn't find anything that would work with it. Let me show you the skirt. So this is what the skirt looks like. It's a white skirt and has a really nice slit starting quite high on the thighs, and I just realized that this needs ironing. I really need to iron this. I got this in Vietnam from this designer or brand called Dear Jose. I'm going to try and focus that. Yeah, so this is what the brand is, Dear Jose, and I got the size L, and it's a US 6, UK 10. And yeah, everything that I was shopping in Southeast Asia, L or an XL for me. And I finally got the package, which has the top. Let me show you the top. So the top is basically a sheer bodysuit. It's from Trishala and Shireen's brand, Shop Monochrome. And I thought this would look really chic because it has this nice high neck and is sheer, so I can wear like something interesting. Siddhi was suggesting something lacy, but I don't have the nicest lacy stuff, so I'll just wear like a basic black bando or something. But yeah, this is going to be the outfit. The dress code said stylish casuals, and I get so happy whenever they mention casual because that's what my style is. But now I need to figure out what hairstyle I need to do, because this is like unwashed, greasy, sweaty hair, and I thought I would wash my hair, but I want to do like a sleek ponytail, and I think a sleek ponytail is better on greasy hair, or like a top knot bun or something. I don't know, we'll see. And I also just noticed that the skirt has silver details, and I was thinking of wearing this gold earring, which would be like this conversation starter. Let me show you. I got this from this brand, and I bought it at the Geo World. There was like this fest going on. Geo Lux Fest, yeah, that's the one. And it has this, it's a hoop with a tiger, and I thought this would make such a nice statement piece, but I don't know, I'll try it and see if it matches with the silver in the skirt. I don't wear a lot of silver jewelry, so the only ones that I have are these ones. And I think this chain one might look nice with my hair tied up. And I also have these, and I think this will get a little too simple. And I also have this Swarovski one, which I think will look really nice with it. It's like this. I think this is really cute. I think I might go for this one. It's quite cute. I think I'm gonna start with my hair. It's really in a bad shape. Should have washed my hair. So I'm using this Liss Unlimited Serum from L'Oreal to... Oh, that's on your face. Just using this on my ends. When I tell you it's disastrous, it really is disastrous. Like, it's dry. So just applying this before I untangle it. I'm using a wide tooth comb, starting from the bottom. Now I'm going to section my hair in the middle. Take these two sections and put them away for now. Now I'm going to take half of my hair, like just from top of my ears, and tie a ponytail there. So I want it to be like nice and voluminous. So I'm taking only half the hair now. So I've taken those two clips out. This is also a nice hairstyle. I'm gonna take these two sections now. As you can see, my hair is very greasy, so it's very easy for me to do this. My hand hurts and I'm not very happy with it. I had a shoulder workout today in the gym and I can feel it right now. Now I'm going to take the bottom hair, divide it into two sections, and now I'm going to crisscross those sections. Bring it up and crisscross like this, and tie it here. Look at this shit. My rubber band is stuck. I hope I don't have to cut that chunk of hair. I finally got that rubber band out and I realized that I should probably wear my top because it's high-necked and I have to wear it on top of my hair. So I think I should wear the top first and then do my hair. Okay, so I've put the top on. Before I do my hair, I'm going to put some skincare so it has some time to sit in. I'm just using a lip balm. This one's from Laneige. Then I'm going to apply some primer. This is from Laura Mercier. This is Pure Canvas Primer. It's a very hydrating one, so I just like to use it like a cream. And I want this to like sit on my skin for some time. And I've realized that that really changes the game when I allow the primer to kind of sit and sink into the skin and not immediately move onto foundation. I feel like the foundation separates whenever I did that. And for the hair, I think now I've learned my lesson. I'm just going to keep it a simple ponytail. I like to take a brush like this, a bristle brush, to really smoothen and flatten the hair. As I do this, I'm also thinking about what makeup I should do. I was thinking I want to do a smoky eye and a nude lip, maybe. It is a lipstick event. So the event that I'm going for is with Vogue and L'Oreal. And I think L'Oreal is launching new lipsticks. So I'm in kind of like two minds if I should go for like a bright, vibrant color or if I should stick to nudes. You know, nowadays I've really been enjoying putting my lipstick first and then doing my eyes. And I've realized that really helps with how much to add and how much to tone down on my eyes. It's not perfect, but I think it'll do. I have a lot of like hair sticking out of the nape of my neck, so I'm going to use this. I found this on Amazon. It's called Ikiti. It's just like a hair wax. So I just use this to kind of flatten my hair. I'm using the Got To Be Glued hairspray and really setting up these small hairs on the nape. You see these baby hairs I have? I'm just going to style them a little bit using that bristle brush. I can even like use a toothpaste, sorry, not a toothpaste, a toothbrush or something. Just like that, very simple. For makeup, I'm starting with this MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC35. Just taking a little bit on the back of my hand, taking my beauty blender and pushing it underneath my eyes. For foundation, I am using this one from K-Beauty. I wear the shade 130Y Medium. Actually, I think I'm going to mix a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filter with it, just to give it that nice dewy. This is what the base looks like so far. I'm going to clean this up later and put some contour in. I just have the Charlotte Tilbury blush, and I'm going to do a very bold double winged liner and bedazzle it. Hopefully it works. I'm going to put my camera away and try and do it. It's just black liner and some stones. I hope it works, and my battery is dying, so I'm going to put this on charge. So I went ahead and did my eyes. I used the Pretty Crunch palette from Huda Beauty and added some gems on the upper lash line. I really like the way it turned out. I'm just going to do my brows. I'm using this one from Lakme. This is their 3D brow definer. I really like this. This is in the shade Graphite. So we're just darkening up my brows with this. I'm not being too precise about my brows because the eyes are already so loud. I actually had to go so close up the mirror that I knew I wouldn't be able to vlog, and my camera was dying. I've also been loving these tattoo brows from Maybelline. If you have the chance to try this, please give it a go. I wear the shade brown. It's so good if you love those bushy brow trend. For my lips, I want to go with something classic. This is Spice from MAC. Want a slightly darker nude on top. Since it is a L'Oreal event, I am wearing a L'Oreal lipstick. This is I Explore. I think that's a nice nude. I'm going to add up the bronzer. My favorite bronzer is from MAC. It's called Give Me Sun. I really love this color on my skin. Because I have my hair up so tightly, I am going a little heavy-handed. And then I'm adding Global Glow. It's a similar bronzy shade, but it's kind of has highlights. So it blends very nicely with Give Me Suns because they're in the similar color palette. The sponge to kind of blend everything out. Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Whew, that smells really nice. That's it for hair and makeup. This is what it looks like. I am on time. It's 6:51. We plan on leaving at 7. I have 10 minutes to wear my skirt and my shoes, and I think I'll be on time. I will wear my jewelry once I wear the skirt. I went ahead and ironed the skirt. Let me just quickly go wear it. This is what the outfit looks like. I think it goes really well with the makeup. I love this skirt. I'm so glad I picked it up. I am ready. I quickly added in a belt because I felt like that would complete the look and I didn't want to wear a heel. So I wore my loafers. These loafers are from Coach and I wore it with my Nike socks. I'm fully styled by Siddhi, by the way. I just video called her and I was like, and I ended up wearing the Swarovski earring that I showed you guys earlier. The makeup is giving. Okay, so this is the finished outfit. Let me close this so you can see more of me and less of all of the junk that's there. Yeah, so this is, I'm literally panting. Oh my god, I ran so hard. I love that there's a pocket. And oh my god, I think it's time for me to go. I'm gonna take my vlogging camera with me and ask someone to vlog my outfit when I'm at the event. Okay, Shadow wants some attention, so I'm gonna give her some before I leave. They're both fed. She ate 2 packets, Sushi had 1, and now it's their nap time till I come back. Bye baby, love you. So for bag, I'm gonna take my Chanel. I think this is the perfect match. I wish it had silver hardware, but that's okay. My wallet, also Chanel, and my other wallet that has the cash, that was my card wallet. This is YSL. What else? I have to put my lipstick in, my house keys, my car keys because I'm driving. Anything else? Maybe like a powder. I think that'll be good. And my bags are, oh my god, I didn't apply perfume. So this is where I've kept all my perfumes. I just got these, the YSL one. I think I feel like this one. I've been told that I smell really good every time I've sprayed this. So I think this is perfect. I'm also adding this. This is the Apple MagSafe battery that connects to my phone. And I need this whenever I go out. Okay, I'm finally ready to leave. Let's go. What are you wearing tonight? I think they know exactly.
Welcome to this very first edition of L'Oreal Paris and Vogue's Shades of You. We're here to celebrate beauty, worth, and the transformation.
And definitely to India, to incredible India. I am amazed by this country, by colors, by its culture, by the talent of my amazing team, which tonight looks so elegant, so beautiful, just looking like a wow. Thank you much for being here tonight. And
I just got back home and I had such a good time because I wasn't wearing heels and it was nice. It was short and sweet and I was actually very comfy in this outfit and I'm so glad I wore this, and I got a lot of compliments on this eye, so that was a success as well. I really want, I get a little social anxiety in these events because you don't end up knowing everybody, and I can hear my husband texting me. Yeah, so you don't know people, so it's nice to have something to start conversations. So people will come up and they'll be like, oh, I love the way you've done your eyes, and you know, you can compliment back and you get to know who they are. And yeah, so that way I just think that makeup it's fun that way. Okay, I need to go check my messages. But yeah, thank you so much for coming along with me today. I'm so glad that I vlogged the entire process and shared it with you guys. And go to part 2 where I will be taking all of this off and showing you how I do it and show you my nighttime skincare routine.